Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here is another digital SAT math question. The circle shown has center O, the circumference is 144 pi, and diameter is P, R, and QS. So these are diameters, okay? Those are technically passing through the center. The length of the arc PS is twice the length of the arc PQ. So PS is twice the length of PQ. 2 times PQ. Let's say, so, okay. What is the length of the arc QR? Okay. So you're being asked to find QR in here. And the choices are A is 24 pi, B is 48 pi, C is 72 pi, and D is 96 pi. So in this expression, in this equation, what do we get? You can just call PQX. If you will call PQX the arc PQ over here, and PS becomes 2x, right? Because 2 times x makes it 2x. And since this is diameter, so half of the circle is 3x. We can say that. Another thing is that, and so if these passes through the diameters, these are diameters. So if this side of the arc PQ has to be equal to SR because of the angles. These are equal angles, right? So this can be x, and the question mark will be 2x. Because of the PS is going to be equal to RQ. And the circumference, again, the circumference is the, some students, they call it a perimeter of the circle. Yeah, you may think that way as well, but this proper word is circumference for this, given as 144 pi, which means, so let's add, how many x's do we have all around the circle? 2x plus 1x is 3x's. So 2x plus x plus 2x plus x is going to be equal to 144 pi. So 3x plus 3x is 6x is equal to 144 pi. To get 1x, I'm going to divide both sides by 6 because they multiplied x by 6. You will do the inverse operation, remember. So divide 6 by 6, okay, this cancels each other out. When you divide 144 by 6, you can do this again in your calculators, okay, in the exam. But I'm going to show you the division here really quick. 144 is going to be divided by 6. 6 goes into 14 twice. 12, you bring this 2 and 4 down. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, so the answer is 24. So the x is 24 pi. But what was the question? You've been asked the double of the x. To get the answer to x, you're just going to multiply 24 by 2, right? This is 2. 2 times 24 gives you 48 pi, which is the choice B. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.